Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Question number 5 is very important and it's a challenging question. Before we start, I would like to remind you that converging lens, each section in the converging lens acting as tiny prism. So here at the top, it's part of the prism, and here also inverted prism, part of the lens, is a prism, and here also, and at the center, as if you have a rectangular glass block, here another part, and here another part, and so on. Okay, so what happens here? If you have a light ray, it will refract towards the base of the prism, and this one, the ray also will be refracted towards the base of the prism. That's why the converging lens, they are called converging. They converge light rays. Is it clear? Okay, this is number 1. Number 2, the line a construction line we usually draw in our ray diagram, here, the midline, okay? We are refracting the light ray at this midline just for simplicity. But in reality, what happens? Refraction takes place at the boundary. Refraction takes place at the boundary. So refraction takes place here at the first boundary. This is the first boundary. It's a part of a lens. And here you have also the second boundary. So rays will be refracted. Okay, so the question is asking you to continue the path of this red light till it emerges from the lens. Okay, how we will refract or draw this light? It will be refracted first at the first boundary, and then again at the second boundary, but towards the base of the prism, as if this is a prism. Okay, so we have the first part done. State the term used to describe the process here as the ray enters and leaves the lens. Here the terminology is very important, scientific terminology. Don't say bending or bends. This is not scientific term, so you have to say refraction. You have to say refraction, okay? And I would like to remind you that refraction means change in speed, change in wavelength, okay, and change in direction, but the frequency will be the same, okay? Part B is showing two parallel rays traveling towards another lens. Now you have to continue the path of these rays till they intersect, or you can extend them at least 5 centimeters. That's why, because we would like them to intersect. First of all, I would like you to draw the midline so refraction will be clear. So here you have to draw the midline so the rays will be refracted at this line. So when you extend the incident ray and here you extend the incident ray, they will be refracted, converging 5 centimeters at least, and here 5 centimeters also. Okay, so they will intersect. Where the refracted rays intersect, this will be the focus. Okay, is it clear? So far so good. So this question is very important, and I would like you to answer all the questions again as graded classwork.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.